So you guys remember that I did a review on the Deity S-Mic 2, and I said that I really liked it. And here, as you can tell, is my favorite mic, the Sennheiser MKH416. And as you can tell, the quality of the audio coming from this mic is awesome. And hold on a second. This is not connected. No, this is the S-Mic 2. This whole video has been recorded on the S-Mic 2. So what you're hearing right now is a combination of the S-Mic 2 and some other mics that I have here so that you can hear me unboxing stuff. But yeah, this mic right here, that's the S-Mic 2. And the people at Deity were kind enough to allow me to do a giveaway of the S-Mic 2. And so all you have to do is follow the link in the description. I'll leave it here. So make sure to follow Deity Microphones. Follow me on Instagram, on my Twitter, and Facebook. I'll leave a link to those in the description as well. And that's how you enter. So basically, the more things that you do, the more entries that you have, and the more chances you have to win the S-Mic 2. So I think it's a really awesome mic. As you can tell, it sounds really good. I'm really excited. So thank you, Deity, for allowing me to do this giveaway. I'm really excited, and I hope you win. One of my pet peeves is when audio reviewers don't have really good audio. So I hope that you guys enter, follow my videos, follow my accounts, and I hope one of you guys wins one of these. I'm just kidding. You guys should go and buy your own. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If you like the video, make sure to like and subscribe. Ring the bell. You know what to do. Also, if you want to hear my podcast, it's on patreon.com/Joe and Tell. Anyway, till next time, take care. Bye-bye.